The portable drone ecosystem is about to experience a massive seismic shift. And if you thought micro-drones were limited by compromise, everything you believed about palm-sized aerial photography is about to be rewritten. DJI is quietly preparing to unleash a device that completely shatters the barrier between ultra-compact convenience and professional-grade cinematic power, sending shockwaves through the entire creator economy. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Today we are dissecting every single leaked schematic, sensor patent, internal component reveal, and unexpected hardware overhaul surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Neo 3. What was once considered a niche pocket companion built primarily for casual vlogging and basic tracking is morphing into a terrifyingly capable flying powerhouse that might render traditional sub-250-gram drones entirely obsolete. Industry insiders and supply chain leaks are confirming that the DJI Neo 3 represents far more than an incremental iteration. It is a complete ground-up redesign aimed at dominating both beginner creators and demanding cinematic professionals. When the original lineage introduced palm takeoff and zero controller flight, it was treated as a novel gimmick that worked well under ideal conditions. However, the latest schematics leaking out of manufacturing facilities indicate that the DJI Neo 3 is bringing enterprise-level sensor tech, unprecedented flight times, and a camera system that defies the physical constraints of a sub-pocket chassis. Creators who have relied on bulky setups or compromise-laden selfie drones are suddenly staring at a future where a device weighing less than a cup of coffee can produce broadcast-ready footage in any environment. Let us start by looking closely at the camera housing and sensor architecture, which is easily the most talked-about breakthrough in these fresh leaks. Early rumors hinted at subtle incremental bumps in frame rates, but confidential spec sheets reveal that the DJI Neo 3 is rocking an overhauled 1/1.3-inch CMOS image sensor paired with a custom-engineered wide-angle lens system. This massive jump in physical sensor real estate means dynamic range performance that directly rivals high-end action cameras and mid-range consumer drones. We are talking about true 13.5 stops of dynamic range, allowing you to capture crisp highlights in direct sunlight while maintaining buttery, smooth shadow details in dense urban or forest environments. Even more impressive is the video pipeline unlocked by this sensor upgrade. The leaked documentation suggests that the DJI Neo 3 will support native uncompressed 4K, recording up to 120 frames per second for stunning high-speed slow motion, along with a full 10-bit D-Log M color profile. For serious video editors and content creators who demand granular color grading flexibility in post-production, this single upgrade changes the game completely. You are no longer locked into oversaturated, heavy-handed, JPEG-like video processing straight out of the box. Instead, you get a clean, neutral canvas ready for Hollywood-style color grading, all coming out of a drone that fits neatly into your jacket pocket. Stabilization has always been the Achilles heel of hyper-lightweight aircraft, especially when battling gusty winds or rapid directional shifts. The DJI Neo 3 tackles this issue with a brand-new mechanical dual-axis gimbal working in tandem with the latest iteration of Rocksteady 3.5 and horizon-balancing electronic image stabilization algorithms. Leaked test footage clips show the drone maintaining a dead-level horizon even while being tossed around in unpredictable coastal winds. The gimbal movement itself has been re-engineered with micro-brushless motors that offer lightning-fast responsiveness, eliminating the micro-jitters and floating jelly effects that plagued earlier generations during sudden acceleration or tight yaw maneuvers. Vertical video content creators are also getting a massive dedicated feature that leaked internal documents highlight. Recognizing that modern platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels dominate consumer attention, the DJI Neo 3 features a true hardware-based vertical shooting mode. Rather than cropping down a horizontal 4K image and sacrificing resolution, the camera assembly inside the DJI Neo 3 can physically rotate or UTI. leaves a full native 2.7K vertical sensor readouts without losing pixel density. This means full-resolution vertical video with zero compromise, making the drone an absolute dream tool for solo content creators who need instant, high-grade social media assets straight to their mobile devices. Beyond raw camera specifications, the artificial intelligence engine embedded deep within the processing unit of the DJI Neo 3 is receiving what leakers describe as a massive quantum leap. Dubbed ActiveTrack 6.0 AI, this upgraded tracking engine utilizes machine learning neural networks trained on millions of real-world movement vectors. The drone does not merely lock onto a color outline. It understands human skeletal motion, vehicle trajectories, and pet behavior in real time. Whether you are sprinting through a dense forest, weave cycling through heavy city traffic, or snowboarding down an erratic slope, the DJI Neo 3 retains an unbreakable lock on the subject, predicting obstacle occlusions before they even happen. The safety architecture surrounding this ultralight frame is another area where DJI appears to have pulled out all the stops. Early micro-drones were notoriously blind to subtle environmental hazards like thin branches, power lines, or glass reflections. However, CD renders of the DJI Neo 3 reveal an array of omnidirectional vision sensors integrated seamlessly into the prop guards, complemented by a forward-facing mini-LiDAR scanner. This LiDAR system projects thousands of invisible infrared laser points per second, building a precise 3D point cloud map of the immediate flight path. As a result, the DJI Neo 3 can navigate tight indoor spaces, weave through complex outdoor obstacles, and execute high-speed tracking shots with level of collision avoidance previously thought impossible in this weight class. One of the most persistent complaints regarding portable palm launch drones has always been flight endurance. Due to strict weight targets, battery capacities were kept small, forcing pilots to land every 10 to 12 minutes just to swap packs. Leaked battery certification filings reveal that the DJI Neo 3 utilizes a high-density silicon anode battery cell technology. This chemistry breakthrough allows DJI to pack significantly higher milliamp power capacity into a physical enclosure that weighs almost the exact same as legacy packs. Real-world battery estimates suggest flight times pushing up to an astounding 35 to 40 minutes on a single charge under standard conditions, effectively doubling the usable airtime of previous micro-drones. Extended flight time changes the fundamental psychology of flying. Creators no longer need to rush through their setup, panic over battery percentages, or settle for rush second-take shots. With nearly 40 minutes of flight time per battery, you have the operational headroom to experiment with creative camera angles, execute complex automated orbital pathways, and record lengthy, uninterrupted sequences. Furthermore, the leaked fast-charging battery hub for the DJI Neo 3 supports 65-watt USB power delivery, allowing users to juice 3 batteries simultaneously from 0 to 80% in under 40 minutes, enabling continuous back-to-back shooting days using just a standard power bank. The physical propulsion system of the DJI Neo 3 has also been rethought from the ground up to achieve maximum acoustic suppression and efficiency. Traditional small drones are notorious for making high-pitched, buzzing noises that draw unwanted attention and disrupt quiet environments. According to aerodynamic acoustic leaks, DJI has developed brand-new swept-wing propeller designs enclosed inside structural noise-dampening ducting. The resulting acoustic profile reduces high-frequency whine by over 40%, replacing it with a low-pitch hum that blends effortlessly into ambient environmental sound. This silent operation makes the DJI Neo 3 far more discreet when shooting in public spaces, parks, or quiet residential neighborhoods. Another major revelation from the leaks revolves around the control ecosystem and connectivity options. While the DJI Neo 3 continues to support full standalone operation via voice commands and direct top-panel physical button triggers, the wireless transmission hardware inside the hull has received a massive upgrade. The drone incorporates the new O4 HD transmission protocol, providing a rock-solid video feedback to your smartphone or dedicated remote controller up to a distance of 10 kilometers in FCC regions. This eliminates signal dropouts, screen tearing, and control latency, even when flying in urban environments choked with Wi-Fi interference. For thrill seekers and immersive content enthusiasts, the leaked schematics confirm complete native compatibility with DJI Goggles 3 and the motion controller system. This transforms the lightweight DJI Neo 3 into an agile, fully immersive FPV trainer drone. Beginners can strap on the goggles, double-tap the palm takeoff trigger, and instantly experience high-speed acro-style flight without the fear of destroying an expensive, heavy racing drone upon impact. The integrated full-coverage propeller guards serve as a built-in safety net, allowing the drone to literally bounce off tree trunks, drywall, or obstacles and keep flying without crashing. The standalone smartphone ecosystem for the DJI Neo 3 has been upgraded with instant Wi-Fi 6 e-quick transfer technology. In practice, this means once you land the drone on your open palm, high bitrate 4K footage transfers wirelessly to your mobile device at speeds reaching up to 80 megabytes per second. You can edit, color grade, and publish a polished short-form video to your social feeds within minutes of landing, without ever touching a micro SD card or connecting physical cables. Internal memory specs have also expanded dramatically, with leaked motherboards showing a generous 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes of ultra-fast onboard solid-state storage built directly onto the circuit board as a baseline standard. Audio recording during autonomous self-tracking shots has historically been a challenge, as drone motor noise usually destroys onboard audio pickup. The DJI Neo 3 solves this problem through an updated wireless sync protocol that seamlessly pairs with your smartphone mic or DJI mic transmitter setups. Using real-time AI noise reduction algorithms inside the mobile app, the system isolates your voice, completely strips away prop wash noise, and syncs the crystal-clear vocal commentary with a 4K video file in real time. Vloggers can present, talk, and walk naturally, while the DJI Neo 3 tracks them overhead, capturing studio-quality speech combined with dynamic aerial cinema. When looking at the competitive landscape, it becomes obvious why DJI is pushing the boundaries so aggressively with the DJI Neo 3. Rival tech brands and compact drone manufacturers have been closing the gap, releasing lightweight selfie drones with improved tracking and competitive price points. However, by combining a large 1/1.3-inch sensor, 4K per 120 frames per second recording, LiDAR collision avoidance, 40-minute flight time, and full FPV goggle compatibility into a single ultralight frame, the DJI Neo 3 creates a massive technological moat that competitors will struggle to cross. It establishes a brand new benchmark for what consumer micro-drones ought to be. The pricing structure leaks suggest that DJI plans to maintain an insanely competitive pricing strategy to ensure mass market dominance. Reports indicate that the standalone base model of the DJI Neo 3 will launch at an accessible price point around $249 to $279, while the Feature Pack Fly More combo, featuring 3 high-density batteries, a charging hub, and a dedicated controller, will land right around the $449 mark. Given the raw level of hardware crammed inside this device, that price positioning represents astonishing value, making high-end aerial cinematography accessible to students, hobbyists, vloggers, and seasoned filmmakers alike.